Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, July 7th. Well, I would say orderly is what I see in the NASDAQ market. I think we talked about it in this video, and I know I did in the advanced video. The behavior we're looking for on Wednesday was for a market to break lower, look for further weakness, but we want to see that shadow on the lows. It sets up a very interesting setup here for Friday's numbers. I do look for follow through to the upside on Thursday. So I'm looking for a stronger NASDAQ market on Thursday. And when it comes to the US dollar, well, it's gotten a little weaker against the euro. It's firmed up. I think as some of the smoke is clearing, I guess, in that regard. I do look for follow through to the upside, not in a dramatic way though for that market. But I do look for follow through to the upside in the euro. Let's move on over and take a look at what's going on with the interest rate markets. And again, orderly is what goes through my mind. I do look for this market to maybe give us an unchanged, a slightly lower type movement. I'm really looking for the volatility to kick in on Friday. In gold, we've made new highs, but we may have gotten high enough to see some selling coming into this market. And again, it may be cooling off a bit, and I think we need to be prepared for that possibility. In the crude oil market, we've gotten low enough to find a bounce and buyers at these levels. I do look for follow through to the upside, but I don't see any reason for a dramatic move in that market. Well, soybeans. New low, very bouncy. I look for follow through to the upside in that market as well. So I'm looking for an up day in soybeans. Oh, and I also meant to mention to you, I had some people ask me about that. In crude oil, we traded through this bearish level the day before yesterday. I never mentioned about that difference in the contract. That's $300 a contract would be the value change here. And what we're looking for again is a little follow through here to the upside in crude oil. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again. As always, take care.